For the digital search story assignment, I'm addressing the following question. Quote, how has the introduction of self-driving cars impacted insurance laws and business policies? Unquote. So the first search statement that I used was self-driving cars and insurance laws. And I got the main two types of results that I got from building this search include many professional organizations and also just general news sites that address the topic. So there are two particular sites that did stick out in this instance. So the first of these would be the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. Again, this is a professional organization and provides links to other studies that it has and also to various government documents. For example, studies conducted by the U.S. Department of Transportation. Again, this sort of provides a wide variety of information verified by the government and various statistics that could certainly be reputable and used when conducting research. And the other source that did stick out was a article published by National Public Radio on self-driving cars and the questions they raised about who carries insurance. Now, the article itself is pretty general, addressing the topic and its controversies. However, it does provide links to other reputable sources and also addresses current trends in regards to insurance laws and regulations. For example, addressing a law recently passed in Michigan and the current debate happening in the United Kingdom regarding insurance and automated cars. So this search overall did provide the information that I was looking for, and also it did remain focused on the objectives of the overall assignment as well and the research question. So the second search that I did conduct was over autonomous vehicles and business policies. While the original search was certainly adequate, this one was modified to yield more results. And overall, this result yielded a mix of policy-centered, professional organizations, articles published by news organizations on the topic, and actual businesses posting their own articles addressing it as well. Now, overall, this does provide plenty of information that I'm searching for, and it does stay focused on the objective. However, it does diverge a bit as well. So, for example, let's take a study published by the RAND Corporation, which addresses autonomous vehicle technology and how policymakers will have to address this matter in the future. So overall, this is a pretty general paper. However, it certainly is reputable, very well researched, provides PDFs and such and sources. So this could very well also be used as a starting point for jumping into deeper research as well. This particular source does diverge from the topic. The third search that was conducted was over driverless automobiles and insurance regulations. This one was modified again to yield more results. However, in this regard, most of the results yielded were from news sites and business sites that provided general information. So while it provides information I'm looking for, it's not very specific, and it does stay focused on the objective. It was not as effective as the earlier searches were. Now, there was a particular site here that did catch my eye from AIS Insurance, a private company, which was posting an article addressing the future of auto insurance and driverless cars. And after going over an overview, it did discuss their effect on auto insurance as well and how it would affect their industry. So overall, the problem from the prompt did not change, and it yielded mainly the same results with some variation, especially with the last one being less focused. Other types of searches that could be conducted would occur on different search engines in particular, and through additional types of publications, to include recent books on insurance regulations, more legal and business publications, and more policy centers that may have papers on the matter.